Alright, I got a quick one today. I'm just going to change the steering wheel on this 2018 Ford F-150. This has got the standard foam steering wheel that comes with the XLT and XL models at STX. I'm going to swap it out for this leather wrap steering wheel that I got from LKQ. All the options match on it, but this one's got damage up here on the top, and I'll show you once I get in. But I'm just going to go through the steps so that if you guys need to change your steering wheel for whatever reason, or you need to take it off in order to get to something else, maybe in the steering column or whatever, I'll show you just how easy it really is. So hi buddy. And I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery here first. Alright, I got the battery disconnected. Now, on the back side of the steering wheel, you've got these little holes. There's one on the left side and one on the right side. And there's supposed to be a little release. What I read online was you can use a 1/8 Allen wrench to push the release, but that's not gonna do it for me here. So need something a little bit longer.
That's what she said. Or he said.
Let's try this guy.
That's what she said. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to try a different tool. Modified Phillips head. Basically just cut off to a flat square. And they say you push. Oh yeah, okay. So now I can feel it. It's springy. So there is a release there. So I should be able to pull on this, allegedly. Well, oh, there we go. So up. Okay. Let's get the other side. Did I mention I hate messing with airbags? There we go. I think. Back to the other side. Alright, so what do we got here? I hate these things. Okay. Holy shit. Alright, well, it's just snug in there, I guess. Okay, we've got some wires here. There we go. So I think we can pop that keeper, pop this keeper, and this should pop right off. Nope. Alright, well, there's the explodey part. And I believe, where did they say this was? Yeah, 15/16. See, we've got this other wire harness here though. Okay. Dope. 1 second. We're gonna need something longer than that if we're gonna reach all the way down in there.
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
All right. All right. She's off. Okay, now you can see the damage on this thing. Most of it's from just normal wear and tear, you know, gripping the steering wheel and stuff like that. But what I think happened was there was a little mark on here that I remember, and then it went in the shop for transmission work, and when it came back it looked like this. I think they thought it was dirty and tried to clean it and just scraped the hell out of it. But it doesn't matter. We got a nicer one going on there. Okay. Plug my connectors back in. Alright, now it's time to put the explodey part back on. Okay, so that must be the retaining rods I was pushing on before. So you can get a better look at what you're actually pushing on through those little holes here. You've got one of these spring-loaded rods on each side to help clip it in place, and then these go up into the steering wheel there, so that's what was fighting us. But all right, let's get this thing back in there because I don't want to hang on to this any longer than I have to. Did I mention I hate messing with airbags? Push the keeper back in. Keeper in. And we need the red guy. Okay. Of course, it's gonna give me trouble going back in, right? Because of course it is. All right, go down here. You get out of the way. There, push it in, make sure all the clips are good, and she's in there. I'll put that cover back on because I like it to be a little more tidy than that. So, okay. Oh, I didn't hear anything blow up. She's in there. Come on. Well, voice recognition works. Let's see, I guess we gotta turn the radio on. Let's see. Who are we calling? Mute button works.
Please say a command.
Never mind, I don't really care. Volume up. Change the presets, up, down. All that's good. Menu works. All right. I think we're good.